Hello guys, so today we are going to see how to do Correlogram using RStudio. So we will be visualizing our correlation matrix or your correlation table by the help of correlograms. So first of all, we will have a look at the data sample. So the data file format is again in the Excel file. So this is my sample data I have given. So I have some 24 genotypical data along with some 8 traits. So I am going to see the correlation between these 8 traits. So I am taking here the unreplicated data because for correlograms they only need the simple correlation data or your phenotypical correlation data. There is no need of the genotypic correlation data. So we can go with the unreplicated data or your mean data will be enough. So I am going to just save it in the file, the Excel file format itself. So I have given the file name as sample, sample sample. So just make sure that you remember the file name correctly. So this is the file format. So now coming to the RStudio. So uh, so this is the RStudio again. You have seen this in the previous video. So these are the commands we are going to try today. So before going to that, we will see what are the packages that we need before going to the analysis part. So we will be needing the library corplot and the library ggcorplot. So for only correlogram, we only need a corplot. If you need to incorporate the significance factor also into the correlogram, then you need the library ggcorplot also. So again, as I said in the previous video, go to the packages option and just click on this install and just search corplot. Make sure you have an active net. So select that corplot and just click install. So I have installed it already, so I'm not going to do that again. Just make sure that you have ggcorplot also. So once you type, it will show the suggestion. Just click on that and click install. So I have already installed both these packages, so I'm not going to do it again. So you have to be ready with these two packages. And now coming to the data set. So we have to import the data set in this under this environment tab. Just click, make sure that the environment tab is open, and now click on the import data set. So it is in file for Excel file format only. So from Excel, so just select the file where you have saved it. So I have saved it in D drive or studio. So this is it, the sample. So we have to select that. So once the preview data is available, just make sure everything has loaded perfectly. Yeah. So make sure that in this character, in this apart from the characters, we have a column called genotypes. So we will not be requiring this genotype column as a factor. And so just select this drop down menu that is near this genotype column and select skip. So we do not need this genotype column in our correlation analysis. Just we only need this 8 characters. So just click import. So now the data has been successfully imported into the RStudio. So just going back to the R script now. So first we will be using the package corplot. So we have to use library, select that and type corplot. So once you have typed this command, press control plus enter, or you can just click on this run button. So you can see that the corplot has been successfully loaded. Once that is once that has been successfully loaded, we have to now create a correlation matrix. Your correlation table or your correlation between the 8 characters must be now established. For that, under this package corplot, we have a function called core. So we will be selecting that core and just type in the file name. So it will automatically show the file name. Just select that and just press Ctrl plus enter. So in the console region, you can see the correlation matrix for the 8 parameters or the 8 traits you have taken. So you can see all the negative correlations and also the positive correlations here. So we need this correlation matrix to construct the correlogram. So that's the first step. And in the second step, we need to save this correlation matrix in a simple manner. So I am just giving CR equal to, or you can use this symbol, or just you can directly go for the equal to symbol, and I am saving that core sample. I am just saving this correlation matrix in a similar manner. I am just saving this data in a easier manner as CR. You can give any other name, whatever you like, CR, MR, anything you can give, whatever your preference is. So I am giving it as CR and press Ctrl plus enter. Now this correlation matrix data is being saved under the name CR. Okay, so that's the third step. And now coming to the core plot. Now first we will see how to plot a simple correlogram, or how a basic correlogram looks like. So I am just going to copy this command from here. I'm not going to type. So it says core plot. It's a function in the package core plot itself. So we are using the main function core plot, and inside the bracket we are using the CR. CR is not your sample file. This CR is the correlation matrix that have been devised from your basic data. So we will be typing that CR comma and the method, what type of correlogram you need. So I am giving it a circle. The method I am giving is circle, and just press Ctrl plus enter. So you can see that we got a correlogram with many circles. So that is what circles means in this method. We can also have many other type of correlograms, such as say we have number. We can go for number. Also we can have pi. There is pi. So you can see the pi model graph. We can have this square model. So you can see different types of correlograms here. Just when you click under the plot section, if you click this arrow, we can see all the commands that we have executed thus far. So this is the circle, number, so the pi, the square. There is another called color. So there are different, some 5 to 6 methods are there. So whichever is suitable for you, you can just go for it. So this is a simple correlogram. You can see the color variation for the positive correlation and negative correlation. The positive correlation is represented by this one, or the color intensity, that is the dark blue color represent, or the black blue color itself is a representative of the positive correlation, whereas the red color represents all the shades of the, from the light intensity to the more darker intensity. That red color range represent all the negative correlations. So moreover, I can see more positive correlation only, and in between some low intensified negative correlations are there in between the traits. So this is a simple correlogram. Now again we can just go with some more specifications in the correlograms. So that's the next command. It's a lengthier command. with so many of functions we are going to give in that. So for this you can, in this you can change the colors also accordingly. So we are again using the corplot function only. Again we are going to type the first command as the previous one. Now we are going to type the next extra comments are as follows, like type equal to full. If you need the full Correlogram matrix, you can go for full, or you can give it as half, it will give only the half value. Again you can change the background color also. I have given it as white, you can give any color, red, yellow, whatever you like. And you can give the additional coefficient column. Again this coefficient color you can determine whether you want it as white, gray, anything like that, the column color. And also you can change the font size. This TL position left to top, there is this TL position command indicates where you want to position this character. If you want it as left and top, or you want it in the middle, so you can have so many functions there. So I have given it as LT. When you just type this tl.pos equal to the RStudio, itself will show what are the other options available regarding the position. And also now coming to the tl.cex, this is your font size. You can increase it or decrease it as per your choice. So this is the full detailed commands that we have to put in. So once you just press Ctrl plus enter, you will get a more complicated Correlogram with all the correlation value. For this correlation value, I have given this last command cl.pos equal to r. So this is the r is the called Pearson's r value or your correlation value. So you can incorporate this r values into your Correlogram by this command. So this is much more complicated, and you can also change this coefficient color here in this under this additional coefficient column. This white, you can change the correlation color also. This is given in white color, you can change it as black or something else, whatever is your choice, you can change it accordingly. So again under corplot we have another function called corplot.mixed, which give you a mixed Correlogram model. So where you can use two types of method in both sides of the diagonal. You can see this is the diagonal, this one is your diagonal. Below that diagonal you can have one type of method like circle, and above that method you can have a number or a square, any type of other method. So you can just integrate two type of Correlograms into one plot itself. So that Correlogram is facilitated by the mixed the corplot.mixed function. So I have typed in the commands earlier itself, so I will just cut and paste it here. So this involves again the corplot.mixed comma cr, that is your correlation matrix, and we are just specifying and the methods you want in the lower side of the diagonal. I have given it as circle, and in the upper I need only number, so I have given number. And again the commands which we used in the corplot function gets repeated itself, like tl position, we can change the font size, background color, additional grid color. We can give I have given it as gray. So just when I press Ctrl plus enter, you can get a mixed model. You can get a mixed model. So here is the mixed model. You can see that below the diagonal you have all the circle method of correlation, and above the diagonal you can see the corresponding correlation value or your numbers. So this is one method. So but the only problem with this Correlogram is that we won't know which and all the relationship is significant and which and all correlation is non-significant based on this colors. Intensity, we can only assess the intensity of correlation, but not we can not determine it statistically which one we can discard, something like that. So for that we need to have a probability matrix or your significant value matrix of this corresponding correlation values. So for that we need to find the probability matrix values or the p values. So but in core plot we can't find the p matrix values or the p values, so we have to use another function or another package called ggcorplot. So this ggcorplot function has an option to find out the probability value or your significant values. So we need to call that library, yes, ggcorplot. Now just press Ctrl plus enter. So the library has opened now. So now just we need to go for the further analysis using ggcorplot. So first of all we need the p values. For that we are using cor underscore pmat. So it is showing the function. This is a function of ggcorplot cor underscore pmat. So we need to again put in the file name of our basic sample, that is I have given it as sample itself. So when I type in this command and press Ctrl plus enter, I will get another matrix. It is not your correlation matrix, but this is a matrix involving your probability value or your p values. So these are the values that is determining your significance. So we need this matrix for further analysis. Now we need to save again. We need to save this correlation matrix in simple terms. So I am using p dot mat for my thing. So just do not select any of these predictions because we are just giving a name. So just p dot mat equal to this correlation matrix. Just select this, copy and paste it here. So I am going to just rename this correlation p matrix sample into pmat. So I am just giving it a name. So the name has been changed. Now this correlation matrix or the probability matrix is now being saved under the name p dot mat. Now again I am going to use this mixed model. So this mixed model command I am going to paste it here. So the only difference between the previous mixed mixed model command and this is that we will be having an extra command called we need to type in the extra command like in p dot mat equal to p dot mat. So we are just giving the probability matrix value. So pmat equal to, this is the name. So here you need to type in the name you have given to the probability matrix. Here for my convenience I have given it as p dot mat itself. So if you have given any other name, suppose you have given it as pr, then you have to type in here as pr itself. If you are not giving any name, make sure that you copy this correctly and paste it here. Okay, so remaining is simple, and one more extra command we are adding to this command is that insig equal to blank. So how you want to visualize the insignificance in your Correlogram. So for that also we have so many other options like blank, there is pch, there is p value, and you can also type in label underscore sig. So we will just see how what this command can do. So black, there is the colors. So I'm just clicking it, control plus enter. So you can see that now the insignificant columns have disappeared. So that is what this blank means. So all the insignificant value will be represented as a blank column or a blank blocks. So if you try some other things, like I have said, there is PCH, there is a function called PCH. So once you click that, all the insignificant columns will be demarcated with a cross. So again we have a label underscore sig. So it will label all the significant boxes, leaving all the non-significant. So this label means this is significant, this is significant. So there will be a label on the significant boxes. But for me, this blank seems to be a bit more of standard. So I am giving this as blank. So this is the mixed model with the significance. If you want to include significance in your Correlogram, then only you need to go for this GG Corplot library. If not, you can just manage it with this Corplot library. So and again, you can see this. This is the difference between those plots. We have difference between the commands and their plots. So this is the one with the mixed model, the normal mixed model without any significant values. And this is the plot with which has clearly differentiated between the significant values and the non-significant values. So you can again export this plot as PDF, or you can save it as image file, whatever you like, you can do that here. So you can just try these commands. So I am also giving the link of my blog spot, that's plant reader spot, in description. These commands are also available there. You can cut and paste from there also. It will be much more easy because there are many commands here. And also you can add many more additions. You can improve these commands. So if you have any in-depth knowledge in our language, you can keep on improvising these commands. This is just a sample outline of how to do Correlogram. So that's all for today. Maybe in next video we will see any other visualizing tools or any other analysis. Thank you.